Hi, this is Christine on Christine for On the Cheap. I'm planning on making a very large sign to put next to my front door, and I picked up some fencing, which was only $1.38 a panel. So I bought 3 of them. What I'm planning on doing is in the background, then I'm going to also, I collected over the years several different pieces from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to decorate it with, and this will be for fall. And of course I'm going to keep it up till Thanksgiving, but I'm just going to show you then what I'm going to do. Okay, the step I took next was actually for that picket fence. I'm making pumpkins out of these, and I'm going to paint them up and things like that. Now I'm starting to paint the one pumpkin. To me, this reminded me of like a pumpkin pie slice, the color. And I got this like for $4. It's Vaspar at Home Depot. So I'm just going to be painting just the front and the sides. Okay, and here I just finished painting the pumpkins. I'm thinking about maybe putting a face on it or something like that, but I really like the color. Okay, I'm back with the painted pumpkin from the picket fence. I decided to trace circles, so I'm going to do stuff funky with it. Basically paint them either a different orange with the circles or white. This I'm going to blend colors in, and this I'm going to paint lines, and I think it's going to be white. So this is so far what I painted, and I'm going to put orange on that, plus I'm going to put an orange stripe on there. And then on the top I'm going to put leaves. I'm going to get some wire and coil up like a little stem. So we'll see what it looks like. Now I thought, oh, I'll trace these with black, the circles that we have. I didn't like it at all, so I'm going to have to go back and repaint that area. And this is the one that I put black around. It didn't cover very well with the pumpkin color that I picked, so I'm going to have to do it a couple of times. This I'm going to set beside the other stand-up picket fence because it wasn't enough room, and I wanted it smaller, the whole picket fence idea. So it didn't turn out as well. So I'm going to, clean it up though. Now with the stem for the pumpkins, I just used some heavy wire, and I actually used a very small screws to put that in. I'm going to probably decorate it with leaves as well as maybe possibly flowers. Well, this is the way I have it set up right now. I have to screw everything because I don't want to just glue it because it's going to be outside. So I am going to screw different parts in. I may add up a little bit more. Okay, this is the finished product of what I've made. Again, I bought actually 3 of the picket fences. 2 I had kept the same size, which was 6 foot, and then I cut the 3 pieces out of that one piece that I have. I did buy the paint at Lowe's. It was more like a pumpkin slice that I thought, and then I picked up at the Dollar Tree this orange, and of course I already had the white. But these are just some ideas. This wiring here I already had. I just wrapped it around a marker to make it nice and thick. I already had the leaves, so I just made little curlicues with the leaves with each pumpkin. These already had. This I bought at the Dollar Tree, and because it's outside, I was screwing things in rather than hot gluing. Even the harvest, I have it screwed in. I think I'm going to make this and actually mark it with a black to bring it out more. This was also Dollar Tree, the ribbon. Okay, again, this is Dollar Tree, the burlap, but this I bought at Hobby Lobby when it was 50% off. Oh, I hope you like it.